Have you heard about the revolutionary way of applying secondary wire harness support? Hi, I'm Irene with DMC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use LaceLok. LaceLok was designed to replace cable ties and hand-tied lace methods of applying secondary wire harness support. Both methods are fraught with issues. Cable ties become brittle and break, and string ties get loose and are applied at varying degrees of tension. They also have ergonomic concerns. LaceLok capitalizes on the benefits of both. It's the ease of a cable tie with the performance of a string tie. Similar to traditional methods, LaceLok is resistant to common chemicals, fuel, and high operating temperatures. LaceLok is safer and more ergonomic, reducing abrasions, repetitive motion injuries, and operator fatigue. LaceLok is lighter, installs 3 times faster, and terminates consistently, making it superior to common methods. LaceLok meets several SAE and military specifications, including AS50881H for use as a secondary wiring support device for aerospace vehicles. It's also qualified to MIL Detail 32554 and MIL Detail 32555. The LaceLok system is made of 2 parts, the hand application tool and the LaceLok cable lacing fasteners. The installation tool features an ergonomic design with a low-profile nose. The tool produces repeatable results and requires no calibration. Each piece of LaceLok is made of a non-abrasive, aerospace-grade meta-aramid fiber lace and features a small, rounded fastener head with a locking pin system made of high-performance PEEK plastic. LaceLok is sold in packages of 100 and is available in multiple colors and lengths, including 6, 10, 18, and 24 inches. Several LaceLok starter kits are available. These include the LaceLok installation tool, guarded cutters, a replacement blade, and are sold with or without packages of LaceLok. We recommend the starter kit DMC 2300-10NA1. LaceLok is installed in 4 simple steps. First, wrap the lace around the wire harness and feed the end of the lace through the fastener. Cinch tightly. Next, loop the end of the lace over the locking pin and back through the opening. Cinch tightly. Be sure the lace is not twisted. Then load the lace into the capstan and ensure the fastener is nested in the nose of the tool. Finally, squeeze the tool trigger 2 to 3 times to tighten, lock, and cut the excess lace. LaceLok is incredibly strong with a single wrap. However, additional tensile strength can be achieved by applying a 2nd or 3rd wrap around the wire harness. Simply wrap the lace around the wire bundle your desired number of wraps, but only pass through the fastener head once. Do not thread the lace through the buckle multiple times. LaceLok can also be used to create breakouts and lock stitches in a similar application method as plastic cable ties or hand-tied lace. Reference the LaceLok datasheet for more information. The LaceLok tool was designed to require minimal maintenance. Users can easily replace the blade and nose cover on the tool if the cutting action becomes inconsistent or operators begin to see frayed edges. First, unscrew the cover screw. Carefully remove and discard the nose cover and the cutting blade. Then reassemble the tool with a new cutting blade and nose cover. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on our other social media channels.